Hey, Brother Thane, this is Ammon Carson. I'm making this video for you because despite 12 hours of effort with many different hosting companies, I have been unable to get this app up in production and hosted. So I just wanted to show you that it is actually working, that it meets the requirements, and hopefully I can still get it up hosting before you see this, but if not, at least this can be kind of a backup for you to know that the requirements were met and we're ready to go. So anyway, for my project, I decided to create basically a note keeper, and I went ahead and used Angular for my front end as the framework, and I used Express and MongoDB. I used the cloud again, the Atlas for my MongoDB, and Mongoose as well. So basically, over here I've got my app.js, which basically is requiring my Express Mongoose that manages my database connection, and make sure that that's all set up. I got my posts, which is where my schema is set up for how it's going to lay out everything on my database. And I've got my posts.js, which is basically where all of the logic is to get the posts, to delete them, to edit them, to save them, which is all in here. And then my server.js, which is what is called in order to start everything. So without further ado, let's get this started here. So let's go serve. That gets up and running here. Okay, I should be able to refresh this. Okay, cool. So this opens up, which is great, but I need to run my server now, my node server. So I'm going to do that. Ooh, actually, I need that. Just go here. Started. And I can just say node server.js. Get the server started, and now it looks like we are connected, which is awesome. Just refresh this. Okay. So these were already stored in my MongoDB Atlas, but just to show you how everything works, you come and create a notes. So we'll just do test. This shows that I can save a note. Save a note. So then that's right here, and then you can also see my Mongo Atlas that I'm reading and writing to this database, which is great. Actually, I think it's, yeah. Anyway, so then I'm also going to edit this. This shows I can save a note, exclamation point, smiley face. I can save it. Now that's there. Also, it shows that I can delete it. And delete, and then it's just gone. And then you can also see down here that all that stuff's happening here. Let me see if that shows up. Yeah, there you go. So you can see the activity going on. So overall, yeah, it's a working application. I can create notes. I can edit any of the notes. I can save them. I can delete them. And so basically all the credit is working on this. Once again, I'm sorry I couldn't get that hosted officially. I even tried, once I had finished building this, putting it up to Roku, but there's a bunch of issues there as well. So that's still something I got to figure out and learn. But hopefully this is at least helpful for you. Thanks so much, Brother Thing.